How to remove the news and interest widget from the taskbar. So under your taskbar, on the bottom right side of your taskbar, if you have the news and interest option, or if you have the weather option on the bottom right side of your taskbar, then what you need to do to remove that is you need to simply right click on your taskbar. So you need to simply right click on that news and interest. So here you will have the news and interest right on the bottom right. Then you need to simply right click on that option and you will have remove news and interest. So you need to simply choose the option which might be under the third or the fourth option. Once you click on that, it will ask you if you want to remove, then simply tap on remove and then you can remove your news and interest. So that's how you can remove your news and interest from your windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.